Hello folks, it's old BLG here. I've got a prelude to a next video. You've all been waiting for it. I see old BLG and Righty and Lefty trying to work on his Harley. I am still looking for the goddamn fuse box. The solder relay switch. It's a little square little bastard like that. It's on the left side behind the saddlebag. It's on the right side behind the saddlebag. It's under the seat behind the seat. No, no, and no. No, the fuck it ain't. Not on my bike. 94 Electric Glide Classic Flhtc. Nope. That leads me to the nightmare that it might be inside the fairing. I've only taken one fairing apart, and it wasn't pretty. It took 3 days to take it apart, 4 days to put it together. That was just changing the fucking headlight. Yeah, but you've always wanted to see a massive BLG going the fuck down. Pain, pissed, and short-winded. Brace yourselves, folks. What's coming up next? You're going to love it. Leave a comment if you know what the hell is going on with my bike. Even my stupid original book thing, owner's manual that came with the damn thing, has no idea. It covers everything. Sportsters, huggers, you name it. Every fucking thing. No, they don't have any idea what the fuck, where the fuck they put their own shit for those years. Pisses me off. I hope you get a laugh out of it, because it is fucking funny. Anyways, enjoy the video. I'll turn you over to BLG. BLG? Yes. You want to take over now? Sure. Hey, I'm BLG. I hope you like the other guy. No, I hired him. He's a stunt double. Yeah, stunt double. Yeah, enjoy the video, folks. For BLG, I'm BLG. I'm Righty. And I'm Lefty. Drink beer and enjoy. Best enjoyed with beer. Oh, I feel bad. Sons of bitches that have a 94 Harley Davidson and don't know how to work on them. Wowzer. Damn. Enjoy the video, folks. Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. I am BLG. I am Righty. I'm Lefty. Right over here. Today we're going to monkey with my bike. I've been searching for the fuse box on this damn thing for quite some time. On and off, actually, not full time, but on and off. And so far everything they've told me for a 94 Flhtc is a lie. I'm hoping the fuse box is behind this side. But to get there, we get to take these in here off. The saddlebag has to come off of here. See? And then we got to take this screw out right here. That should come off. That's our attempt. That's what we're going to try anyway, folks. See if I can get you set here somewhere. And we're going to go for it. See what happens. I probably should have brought a socket. But I'm not too worried about it. It's only 2 bolts and the saddlebag comes out. They used to have a quick release for the saddlebags. I don't know why they switched up and went to a freaking regular bolt. I loved my quick release saddlebags. That was shooting helicopter. That was on my 1987 Flhtc. Had better, the bags latched in the front, came down, and you could actually take the lids off. I liked it. I liked the quick release. For when I went to a hotel, I didn't need a wrench. And they switched to this style. I don't know why. That's all fine if you don't have to take your saddlebags off. Wow, this thing needs ridden. Look at that. Look how filthy this thing got. It's just been sitting here. See all the rust and crap? Ugh, that's nasty. Now we need to take this screw out. I'm going to try to anyway. Is that going to reach? That's not going to do that. This is probably too big. Of course. We might have to go look for another screwdriver. Oh, nope, we got it. I don't even know if you're looking at it. Please be a fuse box behind here. And the verdict is, I don't see anything, do you? Looks like a brake fluid reservoir for the back. I don't see nothing. God damn it. Where would it be then? That's the battery right there. This is not a fuse box. Not that I'm seeing. So, I guess that's it for this episode. I'm stumped. I've looked under the seat. I've tore the right side of the bike apart. Nothing here. That is just something else, man. Something else. I don't get it. So we can put this back together, I guess. That was a strike. Maybe it's in the fairing, and I'm not going to dig in there. I've done that before in the past, and it was not good. Wasn't easy. How the hell am I going to start this? What are you looking at here? You're looking at the right thing. Where's the hole? Oh, it's over here. Here we go. I didn't have it in there straight. Nothing. That's strike 3 for me, folks. I have no clue where a starter relay switch would be on this thing. I kind of look at the wiring. It kind of jumps up back here. It goes around that way. It all comes up and goes around that way. This comes down and around that way. I couldn't tell you. Well, ain't that something? I wonder if that's under the battery box. I don't know. I'm going to put this together, though. This is a quick episode, that's for damn sure. There's 2 little pins down here you got to line up, too. For the saddlebags to sit in here, right? I gotta get them lined up on the little pins. It's kind of a pain in the ass, if you're asking me. Where's that one and where's the back one? You know what I mean? Oh my God, this is awkward. Set you over here now. See what I mean about these saddlebags suck? Where the hell is that other pin? There's little rubber pins you gotta line up. For the love of God. What the hell is going on here? Take off my hat. Take off my glasses so I can turn all the way upside down.
You want me to run the camera?
Where in the fuck is this thing? I know you're in here. Okay. Here we go. Let's try this again. In you go. Line up with a pin. What is that down there far enough? I don't think that's right. Stupid fucking saddlebags, man, I tell you. Oh, what is holding you up? Why are you not sitting down? You've got to be down, right? Well, here's the back. God damn it. That's supposed to be there. God damn it.
They go.
I know how they go. I've done God, I wish I missed my fucking... Where's that goddamn little pin down there?
Yeah.
Where are you, you bastard?
Go slow. There, you got it.
Man, I wish I had my older bike back with the quick release saddlebags. How far off am I on this thing?
You're dead on.
Oh my God. You're standing in front of everybody, watching me throw a fucking fit. God damn it! Oh, for the days of the quick release system. If I can ever get this bike running, it's getting traded in for a Sportster, a new one. Getting tired of this bullshit nickel dime. It's been a great bike, but when you can't even find the goddamn fuse box. Oh my God, my back is killing me. Where are the fucking hole? Get in the fucking hole. Oh, take the front out. Yeah. Come on, you bastard. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Where's the hole? Where's the fucking hole? Come on. I think you're there. I can't see through my hair. Oh my God! Oh my God! Are you shitting me? Fucking bullshit. Oh, that's a lot of pain for nothing. My God, what a pain in the ass. Love it when it runs. Hate it when it doesn't, and it doesn't show you where the fuck you're supposed to find what you're supposed to fix. Holy fuck, people. Unbelievable. There is no fuse box that I can find.
Is it under the seat?
Nope. Not that I've found yet. That'll be our next exciting episode. Ripping the battery box completely out of the bike. Okay, well. What a pain in the fucking dick.
Have you tried
Yeah. First place I looked was the first place that was a fucking strike. Nobody knows about a 94. The next thing I can do, bitch, is get it hauled to a Harley Davidson dealer, fucking repaired. Or somebody. Oh my God, what's going on?
You're top down low.
It's as big as I can get, people. What the fuck is that out here for? Ease it back.
Maybe go.
What am I caught on?
Something, you've got it still intact in the middle. Hang on.
No, God damn it. Someday, bike, it's going to be a shed so you can sit in permanent storage. I'll drain the fuel out of you. Or we're going to get a mechanic to fix you again. And I'm going to trade your ass. Or you're going to run right for me and I'll keep riding. Till then, we're a pain in the fucking ass. Oh my God. Yeah. This is really good. When you're all crippled up, the old lady releases a strap that you can't find. Come here, you. Come on. There we go. And that concludes our exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. You got to see him damn near die of a heart attack. His back is killing him, his knees are killing him, and his right shoulder hurts. And there's a bike that pisses me off. Harley Davidson, 1994 FLHTC, with apparently no fuse box. But anyways, thanks for watching me get frustrated. For Hands On with BLG, I'm BLG. I am Lefty. We'll see you guys back here in the next exciting episode, Hands On with BLG. Peace.